Hello and welcome to our video on the law of attraction. This concept has gained popularity in recent years, and it's often talked about in the context of personal growth, self-improvement, and manifesting your dreams. The law of attraction is a belief that the universe creates and delivers to us what we think and feel about, whether positive or negative. In this video, we'll explore the law of attraction in more detail, and we'll discuss how you can use it to create a more positive and fulfilling life. The law of attraction suggests that our thoughts and emotions create energetic vibrations that attract similar vibrations in the universe. This means that if you focus your thoughts and emotions on positive things, you will attract positive experiences, opportunities, and people into your life. On the other hand, if you dwell on negative thoughts and emotions, you will attract negative experiences. This concept is based on the idea that everything in the universe is made of energy, and that our thoughts and emotions are powerful sources of energy. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we raise our vibrational frequency, and we attract more positive experiences into our lives. When we focus on negative thoughts and emotions, we lower our vibrational frequency, and we attract more negative experiences. Let's say you're looking for a new job. If you approach your job search with a positive and optimistic mindset, visualizing yourself in a new role and feeling grateful for the opportunities that come your way, you are more likely to attract positive job offers and opportunities. On the other hand, if you approach your job search with negativity and desperation, constantly worrying about rejection and failure, you are more likely to attract negative outcomes. This concept can be applied to various aspects of your life, from your relationships to your health to your financial abundance. When you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you create a more positive and fulfilling life. While some people swear by the law of attraction and credit it for their successes, others consider it a pseudoscientific concept that lacks empirical evidence. There is no scientific proof that the universe responds to our thoughts and emotions in the way that the law of attraction suggests. Additionally, some people argue that the law of attraction can create a sense of victim blaming, where individuals blame themselves for negative experiences and believe that they attracted them through their own negative thoughts and emotions. If you're interested in practicing the law of attraction, here are some tips to get started. 1. Focus on positive affirmations and visualization. Use positive affirmations and visualization techniques to focus your thoughts and emotions on positive outcomes. For example, you can repeat affirmations such as "I am abundant and successful" or "I am surrounded by loving and supportive people" to help shift your mindset. 2. Believe in yourself and your abilities to achieve your goals. It's important to believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you want. Trust that the universe will deliver to you what you need, and have faith in your own abilities to take action and create positive change in your life. 3. Let go of negative thoughts and emotions. Practice letting go of negative thoughts and emotions, such as fear, doubt, and worry. Instead, focus on gratitude, positivity, and trust that everything will work out for the best. 4. Practice gratitude and appreciation for what you already have. Take time each day to practice gratitude and appreciation for the blessings in your life. This will help you focus on the positive and attract more positive experiences. 5. Take action and be open to opportunities. The law of attraction doesn't mean that you can simply sit back and wait for everything to come to you. It's important to take action towards your goals and be open to new opportunities that come your way. Stay present and mindful, and be willing to take risks and try new things. In conclusion, the law of attraction is a powerful concept that can help you create a more positive and fulfilling life. While it's not scientifically proven, many people believe in its effectiveness and credit it for their success. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, believing in yourself, letting go of negativity, and taking action towards your goals, you can attract more positivity into your life. We hope that this video has helped you understand the law of attraction better and provided you with some tips on how to apply it in your life. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for next important video.